Hi guys! Welcome to Uptown Arts Residence. Tara, check natin. Let me tour you to 3-bedroom in Uptown Arts. So this one is 125.5 square meter. So tara, tour ko kayo. Hi guys! This is also a smart home ready na. So on this side, this one is a digital lock set. And you will also have a digital switch. Ayan siya. And on this side will be the powder room. So sa toilet and bath, fully furnished na tayo. So dito naman tayo sa kitchen area. So this finish is a quartz countertop. And you will have your own 4 induction cooktop and a range hood. Tapos meron tayong built-in oven dito. And you also have the cabinet. And soft close na rin siya. Ayan. Tapos sa faucet naman, this is a retractable faucet. And you will also have the overhead cabinet dito. So sa refrigerator naman, this is also included. So, tapos dito sa area na to, you will have the island of the kitchen. And on this other side will be the utility room or maid's room. And meron tayong provision for washer dryer dito. And meron siyang sariling toilet and bath. Ayan. Tapos, dito sa area na to, on this other side, will be the dining area. So, spacious siya. Ayan. So guys, dito naman tayo sa living area. So, sa living natin, sa living area, you will have your aircon and you can put your sofa dito, and sa TV naman you can put it here. Tapos kagandahan dito, you will have your own balcony. Tapos meron kayong view ni Ortigas at Makati skyline. Tara, check natin. So sa balcony nyo, malaking space pa talaga siya. You can put a coffee table dito. Ayun. So, tara naman sa common toilet and bath. So, sa common toilet and bath pala guys, fully furnished na siya. So, wala na kayong problema. So, ito siya. So, you will have a glass enclosure. Tapos, you will have the cabinet dito. So close na rin yan. Ayan. Guys, tara naman sa bedroom 1 and 2. Tara. So, this will be the bedroom 1. So, you will have your own modular cabinet. So, ayan siya guys. Then, lahat dito is soft close na. Ayan. Then, you will have the view of Uptown BGC. Tapos, nandiyan rin si Mitsukoshi Mall, si Uptown Park Suite. So, ayan siya, spacious siya talaga. Tara sa second bedroom. So, dito sa pangalawang room, almost similar lang din siya, pero nasa other side lang siya. So, ganun lang, same lang, you will have your own modular cabinet, tapos AC, ayan. Tapos, view naman ni Ortigas and Makati skyline. So, lahat ng unit dito is overlooking talaga. So guys, tara naman sa master bedroom. So, itong master bedroom natin, upon entering, you will have your walk-in closet. Ayan siya. So, talagang maluwang siya na walk-in closet. Ayan. Then, tara naman sa toilet and bath. Ayan. So, yun nga, sabi ko, fully furnished lagi pag sa toilet and bath. Tapos, meron kayong sariling bathtub. Ayan, rain shower, included na lahat. So, pag turnover na, ganito na talaga siya. Wala na kayong babaguhin. So, dito naman sa master bedroom, so, full glass na siya. So, you will have the 360 view ng Makati, Ortigas, and BGC. Then, AC included na din. Ayan siya. So, pwede kayong maglagay ng up to king size bed dito kasi sobrang luwang niya. So, meron din tayong sariling balcony. Ayan siya, guys. Guys, if you want this 3-bedroom unit in Uptown Arts, just message me or call me on my Viber, WhatsApp, or mobile number. Thank you and see you on the next one.